Hey guys, I will show you my clickbank earning using Google Ads, and I will show my Google Ads dashboard also. You can see $169 I have earned using Google Ads right now. Again, you can see here also $169 my earnings using Google Ads. Now I will show you my Google Ads dashboard so that you can get more information about this. So guys, you can see here my ad spent around 470 ad INR. This is $5 and my CPC around 478. This is also $5 in USD. I will show you how many clicks I got. I got 1 click and 1 sale. You can see here 1 click $5 CPC, and my ad spend also $5 and I earned $169. So guys, this kind of earning is not very difficult when you know how to select right product for Google Ads and you know how to create high converting landing page. Or the third thing was how to set up Google Ads campaign, and fourth thing was how to optimize Google Ads so that you can get sale like this. In very few ad spent you can get sale like this. So guys, if you have any question related product selection, landing page creation, Google Ads setup, Google Ads optimization, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. You can see my WhatsApp number on screen, and you can message me on my Instagram ID. My Instagram ID also you can see in screen.